How to find Instagram reel templates. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can find Instagram reels templates. So first you have to open your Canva app on your phones or your browsers. Just search for Canva and open it, and then what you have to do is come to your home page over here and then click this search bar on the top. Here you have to write Instagram reels and select this templates option out of these two projects and templates options. You have to choose this templates option, and then if you want the template for Instagram reel videos you can choose the first option, and if you want it for covers you can choose the second one. I'm going to choose the video one, and then it's going to load Instagram reel video templates for me. You have to wait and be patient at this step. Here you can see that my templates are loaded, and now I can just use these templates for my Instagram reels. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.